Hello friends, this is Reza from YouTube channel Reza Blade. I am joining, or maybe you're joining me today. We're doing the unboxing of Beautometry's Halloween Advent. This is the second year in a row that I have the privilege of doing these live videos. Normally they are at noon Central Time every day. I had to drop my roommate off at the airport though. Which is why today we are at 1 o'clock Central and at 2 p.m. That would be Eastern Time. Sorry. It's been a really long 24 hours. Anyway, so I have something to open today. If it's your first time joining us, let me show you what we're opening. What I got was the 20 item Advent box from Beautometry. That's what Therese sent me. And we've got, day 3's right here. That's pretty cool. That's the today one because we opened day 1 and day 2 yesterday. And I'm hoping this live is going to get through to everybody. But if not, we'll post it afterward. I'm just not seeing any comments appear. So maybe not, but we'll see. So I'm going to set aside day 3, and I'm going to show you how many other days we have. 20. So we have a good list to go yet. And all of these really neat wrapping papers and baggies that everything is in, I'm saving these because they're so cool for trick-or-treaters. So keep joining me every week. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do tutorials and tips and tricks, and I mainly teach nail stamping and nail art associated with that, but I mean, I've done videos on color theory and all sorts of other things. So, so this video will be up on my channel as well, and of course you'll be able to see it when Therese shares it to the International Nail Art Society with Beautometry group. So, let's go on, I suppose, and I do hope that everybody is able to join me. So, let's see what we're doing today. So, the retail value of the box is about $220, so that's pretty exciting. Everything in the box is awesome. Last year was a lot of fun, and all those videos are up on my channel, so you'll be able to find those. And my channel is just Reza Blade, R-E-Z-A-B-L-A-D-E. And I'm going to open day 3 because I can't wait. All right. It's very sticky. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see what this says. French tip stamper. All right, so let's tear into this. Gonna need some scissors. And I find that I do not ever use these plastic scrapers. These I do not keep. I throw these away. I do use these though, little clear scrapers, or like the credit cardy ones, which is up here somewhere, like Starbucks, whatever. So let me open this, and I have a few of these that are already set up for whatever I chose to do today. So let's see. Let's see how this works. So I don't have any particular expectations, but I'm going to move these from my workhorse nail stands to maybe something that isn't so paint splattered. So it's not offensive to your eyes. let's see. Actually, I think to use these, I need to not have them on a nail stand. So what I'm going to do, let's see if I have any white handy. First, I'm going to try, it says French tip stamper. So first I'm going to try white. And I'm just using I just have this by the workstation. Sally Hansen Instant Dry in white on time. And these nails are painted in Arda's Nails Sandra. It's from the Cream Collection, one of the newer ones, I think, unless I am mistaken. Okay. This is going to be an adventure because I've never done this before. So if you've never done this before, we're on the same page. Cross my fingers. Cross your fingers for me. And you're supposed to just sort of... Oh! It did! It did it! It did it! Hold on. Hold on. Did you see that? Did you see that? I don't have any experience with this. It did the thing! Oh my god. Where has this been all my life? Jeez. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my god, oh my god. I gotta try this. Okay, so this one worked. So now we have to try a couple more things, right? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So I sound like a little orphan Annie when she gets adopted by Mr. Warbucks. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Actually, I think that's her friend who says, oh my goodness, all the time. All right, we're going to try, what colors do I have handy? I don't have colors. Let's try a black and a white. We're going to try a two-tone. Let's do this thing. This is so cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. Okay, so I got to make it nice and thick because this is trying to thin out on the stamper. And if you have polishes that are thinning out on your stamper, if you leave your stamper on some plain printer paper overnight, that should help to draw out the excess oil that's making that separate on there. But today I'm just going to hope that I can work around it. Okay. So we did have some shearing, but that's, like I said, that was just this color keeps separating on me. So let me try again. I'm actually gonna start again. Excellent. Why don't we do the white? Well, that's all right. We'll do the white again, and then the black, and then that'll show up as a two-tone. Terry said she did a two-tone, so I'm thinking I can do it too, because hope springs eternal. That's why. All right, so I'm going to dig it in deeper. I hope it doesn't I keep thinking I'm going to pierce it. So clearly you need a little bit of practice because I'm not doing this right. Also, I have a gozer here. Let's try again. Okay, so we're going to ignore the part on the right. And then I'm going to let that sit there for just a minute, and then I'm going to try it in the black. And as for the black, I'm going to go over it with the white now. We'll see if this works. This is crazy that this just worked so well right out of the box. And I am not really familiar. I mean, I saw the TikTok about this technique, and I hope it's dried enough. All right, I just shallowly dipped it in the stamper, and here we go. This is insane. This is so easy. I mean, here, I'm going to grab something just real quick. Normally, I use these French tip stampers. I think I have that handy somewhere. There are these stamping plates. Okay, so here's one from Maniology, right? So I have these stamping plates that are just all these sizes of French tips. But what I'm understanding from this procedure is that we don't actually need them. You don't have to go through the drama of trying to figure out exactly how to scrape on a, I mean, it's a useful skill anyway, but all right. So maybe this is dried enough that I'm going to try a different color. How about we do some more of this Sandra? And it is an insta dry, so hopefully that white tip has dried for us. This is so cool. I mean, this means that French tips that aren't made of stamping polish. Now see, again, I'm getting that separation. That'll go away if you put it on a piece of paper overnight. It's just the extra oils on the silicone. Silicone is, it's held together by oil, so you don't actually want to put it on paper forever, because other than that, like if you put it on paper forever, it'll come apart. But you can do it overnight and fix it. That worked. That is so cool. Guys, that is just so cool. So this kind of blew my mind. I hope you liked it. I'm trying to think what else to do with it, because I've only been here for about 15 minutes. I mean, some days are shorter than others. But that is so cool. Okay, here's one. These are white blanks. I use these because there's no way that's ever fitting my finger. Look at the shape of this nail. This is ridiculous. I'm going to try another color though. And I'm going to try to do something a little different. Like let's try the one with the corner to just have it show up in the corner. So I take some off-brand polish. Actually, why don't we do, this is actually one of my favorite polishes, stamping polishes. It's Poison Apple from Hit the Color. And I'm going to see how that goes. Looks that the stamping polishes really aren't separating on me, even though there's a lot of oil in this guy. So that's nice. And I'm going to try one more for you guys. So this time we're going to go like this. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there for a second and let that dry. And I'm going to remove this extra with my lint roller. All right. This is so cool. And what other colors should I do? I don't actually know that there are a lot of you watching, but another color that goes with red. Let's do a green, maybe? Maybe I've got a green. What else do I have? Let's try a purple. And I hope this works. I'm aiming high, everybody. I'm aiming high because everything else has been so easy with this technique. I really thought this was just a gimmick. I swear. I didn't know. Thank you, Therese, for teaching me. Okay, let's try this now. I'm going in with the other corner. Well, I didn't do so well with that, but I'm sure practice makes perfect. That's so cool. Let me try one more time. So let's get out the polish again. Maybe I let it dry too long. Maybe you kind of have to let it be wet, which would make sense. All right. Oh, guys. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is the coolest thing ever. Okay, so lesson learned today. And thank you everyone for joining me. This is super exciting. That is great. If you want to grab that color that I painted all my sample nails, that's Sandra. That's on the Beautometry website. Wow. I mean, come on. Who's not going to do their French tips like this from now on? I mean, wow. Okay, don't forget to join me tomorrow. Tomorrow is our regular time again, and in the next couple of days, I do have that video going out where I show you how to do a really easy French mani. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should just do everything with this. But this is a stamped French mani. Anyway, it's a monotone kind of high contrast mani that's super easy. So I'll release that within the next couple of days. I know I've been teasing it for a while, but I've been sick. I have an ear infection, and it's actually still bugging me. So let's plan to meet tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Central, and we'll do day 4. All right, everybody? Thank you so much. And again, find me at channel Reza Blade on YouTube. Bye-bye.